And rest. Excellent. How do you feel?
It like goes up higher on my left side, I feel. Like it goes all the way up in here and then down to my glutes. But then the right side didn't feel it as much. Like I could feel it all the way through. And I felt like my right side foot was always on. But it would only come up to here and then it would go away. It's like pulses.
Okay. Okay. It's good that your left side is, I mean, your left side is responding. That's good. That's good.
Now my glutes are starting to fire.
Yeah, you gotta be. This is very hard. Without the glutes, it's impossible.
Oh.
Excellent. Excellent. How do you feel?
Woo. I was like 7 out of 10 in my glutes. And it kind of like would pulse out for a second, like would disengage for a second in my feet and then contract again, and then it was fine. Just feel like for a split second I can feel it disengage, but then if I really just keep concentrating, it's all right.
Okay. Okay, that's very good.
I think with like the sprint or the 20 steps as well, like I kept my heel up the whole time, like it was just the balls of my feet. But when I do my long runs, it's like heel, toe, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yes. There is no returning of energy. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make your fascia strong enough it can handle the recycling of energy. Then the energy never leave you.
Yeah.
So that's why you're able to, every step, even though it's the same amount of step, but every step you cover further distance.
Yeah.
And there's also a momentum that builds up. So as you run faster, there's more energy in your system now. So you're adding more energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fascinating, right?
Yeah, I felt a lot more explosive and like lighter.
Lighter, yes. Of course.
Sense?
Yes, because your fascia system suspends your weight. There is no weight on your joints. There's no weight on your knees. Everything works together.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a weird feeling. I just felt like I was gliding.
Yeah, yeah. That's the feeling. You're gliding. You're so light, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was weird.
Yeah, you're not used to it, but you'll get used to it. It's very fun. Later on, running for you, it's going to be so much fun. Like you just want to run a little every single day because it's so free. It's a free feeling.
That's all I want. I just want to like running.
Yeah.
I have to do too much to not like it.
Yeah, because it's fun. There's no pain. There's no pressure. You feel light. You feel gliding. Why not?
Yeah. Yeah. So true.
All right. Next exercise we're going to do and rest. Good. Excellent. How do you feel?
More holistic. Like you were saying earlier, I didn't really feel much calf. It was more, I felt a lot more right side glutes, the twisting. But yeah, left side is still like a bit more dominant. And then I felt like my abs were getting tired.
Yes. You're using your body more. Yeah, you're using your body more holistically. So now you can really relax your shoulder and punch with speed. Yeah. And this is where the power comes from.
Oh my gosh. I just realized that the other day when I did pads, it was like my chest, like here was like where I was tired. It's like my arms could keep going, but my whole body just felt so lethargic. I was so tired, and I was like, huh, I've not felt like this before. And I was like, oh, maybe I just hadn't eaten enough, or I didn't sleep well. Weird. I didn't think of the fact that I was trying to have fascial connection the whole time. Well, that makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, it's neurologically tiring because that thing is not the muscle. It's more neurologically related. So you're going to get neurological fatigue in the beginning. It could be a little bit higher, or it could be lack of some tension there. Oh, very good. You feel both glutes in the punching. That's very good. We're gonna start seeing some really good results now.
Yeah, I'm
very
stoked.
good.
Even with the left rip, left hook drill we did the other day, I felt like usually my knee will go in like this and like it falls in, but even the other day it was like I ripped and it would just like follow through instead of collapsing.
Right.
Even on my right side, the same. Like this would usually go in, but now it's like it just stays in that one chain.
Right. That is fascia.
Stoked.
Good. So now the next punch we're gonna do is the double jab and straight. Five seconds, you can do it. And rest.
Yeah, my abs are tired. And I feel like I can follow through better instead of like this and then this. Like it all comes together.
Right. Very good. Now you're using the right muscle groups.
Yeah. Punching almost properly.
That's right. That's the difference between the elite fighters and the average.
Yeah. I just thought it was more like, I thought it was my technique that I hadn't gotten down pat. Like I just need to drill it more. But I've drilled it so many times. I was like, well, surely I'm getting close to like the 2,000 hour mark, maybe. So I need like 10,000 hours to perfect something. But just having like that fascial connection, even it helps like my elbow stay in and like my balance. And I feel like I don't fall over myself. Be good to see in sparring next. So
yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited because the next fight, it's gonna be crazy at this rate.
Yeah.
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 So
I'll try to get the sparring.
Yeah, send me any footage you have. I'll send you an email so you don't forget. The 10,000 hour concept is very good. However, if you do it wrong, I mean, the way I see it is, majority of the people, they are not aware of the fascial tension in the foot. So when they train 10,000 hours versus, for example, you train Hyperarch for 10,000 hours, the result will be completely different.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So you never felt
was
your
thinking
abs
before that
before, right?
No, not really.
Yeah.
I felt it like a week ago when I had sparring, but it wasn't the same kind of fatigue. It was like sore and like my abs were tired, but it just was like, wasn't quite the same. It was like a little bit different.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we're using that fascial chain. Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah.
Good. All right.